Let's talk about real money. I'm not talking about some far-off dream or a lottery ticket. I'm talking about a shift happening right now, on the phone in your pocket. People, regular people, are building small fortunes using social media and artificial intelligence. It's a new kind of gold rush. This isn't about luck. It's about a system. It's about understanding that attention is the new currency, and AI is the machine that mints it for you around the clock. You just need the blueprint to turn that attention into dollars. Let me give you some proof. Meet a guy we'll call Mark. Last year, Mark was a warehouse manager with a passion for old-school woodworking. He had a day job he didn't love and a hobby he did. He started a small YouTube channel. He used an AI tool to write scripts for his how-to videos. He used another AI tool to edit them, cutting his work time in half. He posted short, satisfying clips of wood shavings flying, Instagram reels and Facebook posts. In 12 months, Mark built an audience of 50,000 people. He's now selling his own custom-made cutting boards and digital woodworking plans. He just quit his job. This story isn't unique. It's becoming the new normal. The secret sauce here is leverage. Mark didn't have a film crew or a marketing degree. He had a phone, a garage, and a few smart AI subscriptions. The AI acted as his scriptwriter, his video editor, and his marketing assistant. It allowed him to create a volume of quality content that would have required a small team just a few years ago. He focused on his craft, the woodworking, and let the technology handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks. This is the opportunity in front of you today. It's about using these incredible new tools to amplify your unique knowledge or passion. So, forget what you think you know about getting rich online, like, seriously. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or shady tactics. It's a straightforward, work-based system. Pick a topic you care about. Use AI to create content faster and better than you could alone. Share that content on platforms where billions of people spend their time. Build a community of people who trust you. Then, offer them something of value. That's it. That's the entire game. Today, I'm going to break down that system step by step, focusing the discussion around Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, so you can start building your own version of Mark's story. Let's get into the mechanics. The system is simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. It requires consistency. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't get strong from one workout, you get strong from showing up week after week. The system has 4 core steps. Pick your lane, create with AI, post with purpose, profit from passion. Each step builds on the last. If you skip one, things get wobbly. Don't sleep on Facebook. People love to say it's for your aunt and uncle, but guess what? Your aunt and uncle have money to spend. Facebook groups are one of the most powerful community-building tools on the planet. This is where you can build a loyal tribe. Start by creating a Facebook page for your personal brand or niche. This is your public billboard. Then create a free Facebook group attached to that page. Provide so much free value people feel like they owe you. Post daily tips, ask questions, run polls. Let's look at an example. A woman named Brenda loves container gardening on her apartment balcony. She started a Facebook group called Balcony Gardeners. She posted one simple tip every day. She used an AI image generator to make cute cartoon infographics like top 5 easiest herbs to grow in pots. She went live once a week to answer questions. Growth, slowly at first, then all at once. People started inviting their friends. After 6 months, she had 5,000 engaged members who trusted her advice and looked forward to her daily posts. So, how does Brenda make money? First, an affiliate partnership with a company that sells high-quality organic soil. She put a link in her group's description and mentioned it during her live sessions. That brought in a few $100s a month. Next, a paid advanced group for a one-time $50 fee. In that exclusive group, she offered personalized video feedback on people's garden setups. 100 people from her free group signed up in the first week. That's an extra $5,000. She also sells branded gardening gloves and small toolkits in her Facebook shop. The key on Facebook is community first, commerce second. You earn the right to sell by being incredibly helpful. Use AI to schedule your posts for the week so you're always present. Use a chatbot AI to answer common questions automatically. freeing you up to engage in deeper conversations. Facebook rewards interaction. The more people comment on and share your posts, the more Facebook will show your content to new people. Your group becomes a self-sustaining engine of growth, all centered around the value you provide. It's a slow burn strategy, but it builds an incredibly stable and profitable foundation. If Facebook is the community town hall, Instagram is the flashy, high-energy shopping mall. It's visual, it's fast, it's built for commerce. Your currency on Instagram is attention. The best way to earn it right now is with Reels. These short, vertical videos are the platform's golden child. You need to be creating them consistently. Entertaining, educational, inspiring, in 60 seconds or less, quick tips, satisfying processes, mini tutorials, funny, relatable skits. Don't overthink production value. A phone camera is all you need. Here's a real-world path. Let's talk about David, a fitness coach who specializes in at-home workouts for busy parents. He used AI to generate 30 different reel ideas for his niche. One idea was a 5-minute workout you can do while your kids nap. He filmed a simple video showing the 5 exercises. He used an AI editing app to add upbeat music. He added on-screen text that popped up with the name of each exercise. He posted it with a caption that asked, "What's your biggest challenge with finding time to work out?" This one reel got 200,000 views because it was relatable and solved a specific problem. That one viral reel brought thousands of new followers to David's profile. This is where the monetization kicks in. In his Instagram bio, David has a single link. Download my free 7-day workout plan. Apply for one-on-one coaching. He captures email addresses with the free plan, building an asset he owns. The high-ticket coaching applications bring in serious income. He also works with brands. A company that makes protein powder paid him $1,000 to feature their product naturally in one of his reels. He made sure to label it as a Augur ad to maintain trust. The Instagram system is about creating a funnel. Reels are the top of the funnel. Polished photos and carousels build trust. Your bio link is the bottom, where you convert. Use AI to write compelling captions. Use AI to generate the perfect set of hashtags for each post. Use it to analyze your performance and see what's working. Instagram is a machine. You just need to learn how to feed it the right content. Create consistently. Solve specific problems. Capture emails. Offer coaching or products. Keep iterating with data. YouTube is the heavyweight champion of content monetization. It's a search engine, not just a social network. People go to YouTube with a specific problem they want solved: how to fix a leaky faucet, 10-minute guided meditation. If you can create the best, most helpful video on that topic, YouTube will reward you for years to come. This is where you create your pillar content. Deep, valuable 8 to 15-minute videos that establish you as an expert. Consider Sarah, passionate about personal finance for millennials. She decided to start a YouTube channel. Her first video, How I Saved My First $10,000, Step-by-Step Guide. It was a 12-minute video. She sat at her desk and walked through her exact spreadsheet and strategy. She used an AI tool to structure the script into a compelling story. Another AI tool made an eye-catching thumbnail with bold text. The video didn't go viral overnight, but started getting a steady 50 views a day from search. After a year of weekly uploads, Sarah qualified for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube placed ads on her videos, about $500 per month. Affiliate link to her budgeting software added $500. She bundled spreadsheet templates into a $47 budgeting starter kit and sold dozens a day after a popular video. YouTube became her automated sales machine. Strategy, depth, and consistency. Use AI for keyword research, outlining, and editing. A video you make today can work for 5 to 10 years. It's an asset that appreciates over time. Let's be clear, the people succeeding with this system aren't necessarily smarter or more creative than you. They just have better tools. AI is the great equalizer. For content ideas and writing, you have assistants like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper. Prompt: I have a YouTube channel about vegan cooking for athletes. Give me 20 video ideas with catchy titles. Then, write a 10-minute video script for the ultimate pre-workout vegan smoothie. Structure it with a hook, 3 main points, and a call to action. For video and audio, Descript lets you edit by transcript and even fix lines with voice cloning. Opus Clip finds the 10 best moments, reformats vertical, adds captions. 11 Labs makes realistic voiceovers. For visuals, Midjourney and DALL-E 3 can generate stunning, consistent cartoon-style assets. Schedulers post for you and optimize timing. Don't learn everything. Pick 2 or 3 tools that solve your biggest bottlenecks and integrate them. Getting views is fun. Getting paid is better. Think like a business owner. Start with low-effort monetization, ads and affiliates. Then climb toward your own products, coaching, and courses. Only work with brands you genuinely believe in, or you'll lose follower trust. We've covered the proof, the system, the platform tactics, the AI leverage, the monetization menu. You now have the blueprint, not magic, formula. The biggest mistake now is analysis paralysis. Your first video won't be your best. It doesn't matter. Get 1 rep in. Pick your niche today. Record a 1-minute tip. Post. Watch feedback. Adjust. Build momentum. Before you click away, leave a tiny secret handshake in the comments to mark your starting line. Then share 1 step you will take this week, which will incorporate social media and AI to start building your wealth. And I'll see you in the next video.